Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Jay and Jess. Today's topic is vowel or two-letter clusters. Let's start. O-B, og, og. Cob, job. O-D, odd, odd. Road, code. O-G, og, og. Dog, log. O-P, op, op. Mop, top. O-T, oat, oat. Pot, coat. O-X, ox, ox. Box, fox. O-Y, oi, oi. Boy, toy. Let's see all the words once again. Cob, job. Road, code. Dog, log. Mop, top. Pot, coat. Box, fox. Boy, toy. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.